Hi friends, it's PJ. I've had a lot of requests for how I make my gummies, so I'm going to do a quick tutorial. This will make you 23 gummies at about 37 milligrams each. So here's what you need. A pot, 1 box of flavored gelatin, 1 package unflavored gelatin, 1 capsule of letchathin, 1 pinch of citric acid, molds of your choice, medicine of your choice, anything besides metal, and your squirt bottle. Okay, let's go. So we have our Jello, which I chose pineapple, package of unflavored Jello, a pinch of citric acid, and a 1/4 cup of water. And my hubby's helping with this stuff because it's kind of gross. It's the letchathin, I can't say it. Put your stove on medium and stir for now. If the letchathin will not dissolve, you may have to get a whisk and whisk it. But for right now, keep it on low and stir continuously. Be right back. While waiting for the gummies to heat, we'll take our medicine and place it in a warm glass of water. While I'm cooking the Jello, my honey has been putting the oil into the molds. Generally, it's a rice-sized piece per mold.
Going.
We just wanted to show you what the oil looks in the bottom of the molds. Getting ready to add the Jello. Be right back. After heating about 20 minutes on the stove, I pour my Jello into the bottle, which is a ketchup or mustard bottle. Doesn't really matter. Just pour it in. After pouring into my jug or my bottle, simply just squeeze it into the mold. Yep, it gets squirted every time. And my hubby comes behind me and stirs them with a toothpick. Be right back with the results. Oh, you're still here? Oh, I forgot. You wanted to see the result. Here you go. There's a few. The rest are in the freezer. Any questions, hit me up. Have a good day.